Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review in an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So if you have been using the TikTok and Instagram, you might have gone through a really viral video about the Virginia State recent truck missing ice cream product. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind that viral news. As you can see, once I tried searching for this viral news on the Virginia's government official website, I got to know that Virginia State Police addressed viral social media videos regarding missing children in the Commonwealth, and the Virginia State Police is aware of multiple social media posts raising concerns about the missing children across the Commonwealth of Virginia. And the police is saying that the reported more missing children in other state is pretty much just a rumor, and there isn't anything that is actually has to do with the reality, because based on the reviews and different other information being found on their official website, the police is saying that this is just a video that got popular for the reviews and all that, and it has nothing to do with the reality, because police hasn't even got a single case of missing a children from the parent. So I think so that this video is just a scam and just another rumor that has got popular on social media. So because on social media the videos get popular by in like a wildfire. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.